Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 20 questions for TGT, PGT English Literature. Let's start. Question number 1. Who wrote Defense of the Essay? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Dryden. Option C will be the right answer. Next question, question number 2. Restoration Comedy of Manners was influenced most by. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be French comedy. Option C will be the right answer. Next question, question number 3. When was the first daily newspaper introduced in England? What will be correct answer? The first regular English daily newspaper, the Daily Current, was launched with the reign of Queen Anne in 1702. So the option C will be the right answer. Next question, question number 4. Who among the following was the first to use the term metaphysical for a king of poetry? What will be correct answer? Literary critic and poet Samuel Johnson first coined the term metaphysical poetry in his book Lives of the Most Eminent English Poets. So the answer will be Johnson. Option B will be the right answer. Next question, question number 5. When was the first book printed in England? What will be correct answer? 1474. So the option C will be the right answer. Next question, question number 6. Venus and Adonis is a long narrative poem by. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Shakespeare. Option A will be the right answer. Next question, question number 7. The total number of poems in Shakespeare's sonnet is. Sonnets is the title of collection of 154 sonnets by Shakespeare. So the answer will be 154. Option D will be the right answer. The first 126 sonnets are addressed to young men, and last 28 to dark lady. So the option D will be the right answer. Next question, question number 8. William Wordsworth was born on. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 7th of April 1770. So the option B will be the right answer. William Wordsworth was born on Cockermouth in Cumberland. Next question. Question number: who became known as a Lackland poet? What will be correct answer? यहाँ पर लैकलैंड है, here is Lackland. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be William Wordsworth. Option A will be the right answer. Next question, question number 10. Complete the sentence. Comus is a mask by John Milton. So the option A will be the right answer. Next question, question number 11. Kamala Surayya's autobiography is titled. What will be correct answer? My Story is an autobiographical book written by Kamala Das, known as Kamala Suraya Madhvi Kutti. So the option C will be the right answer. My Story. Next question, question number 12. The lines I who have lost my way and beg now at strangers' doors to receive love at last in small chains appear in. What will be correct answer? The above mentioned line have been taken from the poem My Grandmother's House, written by Kamala Das. So the option B will be the right answer. Next question, question number 13. The expression I don't love, I cannot love, it is not in my nature of love appears in. Correct answer will be the Sunshine Cat. Option A will be the right answer. It is taken from the collection of poem titled Summer in Calcutta. Answer. Next question, question number 14. Which of the following works is not written by Kamala Das? The Unfinished Man, work is written by Nizam Askil, by Nizam. Askil. So the answer option D will be the right answer. The Descendants, written by Kamala Das in 1967, is a poetry. The Old Playhouse and Other Poems in 1973, and Summer in Calcutta 1965. It is a poetry also. So the option D will be the right answer. It is not written by Kamala Das. Next question, question number 15. The worldly landlord in the Farmers Trade Union is named. What will be correct answer? Vijay Chand is the character in Barbers Trade Union. So the option D will be the right answer. Next question, question number 16. Mulk Raj Anand is the recipient of. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Padam Bhushan. Option A will be the right answer. So next question, question number 17. Mulk Raj Anand's father was a clerk in. What will be correct answer? Mulk Raj Anand's father was a coppersmith and head clerk in Dogra regiment of the British Army. So the option C will be the right answer. Next question, question number 18. as an editor. Nizam Haskell was not associated with which of the following periodicals? Opinion. So the option D will be the right answer. Next question, question number 19. The lines I am forced by the five senses to fear the five senses are taken from. What will be correct answer? The above lines are taken from Nizam Haskell's Hymen's in Darkness. So the answer will be option B. Next question number 20. In Night of the Scorpion, the narrator's father is mentioned not as someone. What will be correct answer? Annihilation karma explicitly. So the option D will be the right answer. I hope you enjoyed the learning about 20 questions. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.